Hi, let's make some snowman Christmas crafts. So I took this slice of wood that is used for decor. It got a little cracked, but I still use it. So I'm going to take some kind of fabric in white, soft. I'm taking multi-layered gauge piece here. One can even take felt or fur if you like. Just cut out a vague circle out of it, roughly a circle. This I'm going to glue it here, just covering the crack. Next, with a little ball, I didn't have a white ball, so I took the ball that I had at hand and just wrapped it again with the leftover fabric. And I'm going to pull it all together, covering it, cut off the extra, and then glue it here onto this vague circle, white circle that I've made. Not in the center, little off center, to look like a snowman who is melting. Next, I took a little piece of red fabric. You can take a check fabric or anything that you please. And I'm cutting out a corner with a circular edge. It's like a triangle with a circular edge. And then I'm going to roll it like a cone and glue the edge closed. Next, just roll the open edge and then make my snowman wear this cap and roll the conical part down and stick it there. Next, I took a deep blue ribbon, a thin one, and just tying a knot. A knot, this will look like a muffler around his neck. Next, I took an orange colored paper and cut out a carrot shaped long triangle and then stuck it in place of the nose of my snowman. Then I used two navy blue or nearly black buttons for the eyes and two red buttons for the dress of my snowman. Next, I rushed to my garden to find some dry sticks which will look like my snowman's hands and painted it black. Then just adjusted the size of it and then stuck it to form the hands of my snowman. Isn't he looking so adorable? For the second one, grab two lids from your home. Now they can be of any color, they basically need to be circular lids. I found white, so I'm not painting, I'm just using them straight away. I'm using some double-sided tape to stick them together, one on top of the other. It's preferable if you have one smaller than the other. So the small one becomes the head of the snowman and the bigger one the body. Next, I have these googly eyes. Now they're in two different sizes, small and big. I prefer to use a bigger one because, the googly eyes look so cute and make anything look cuter. Just stick them there, the bigger the better. Then again, the orange paper and a carrot nose for my snowman. And I'm using a marker pen to paint a smile on his face. And two crooked eyebrows. A little red ribbon bow to go for his neck muffler of the snowman and two red buttons for his dress. Now for a little base on which the snowman can stand, I took a little piece of wood and wrapped it with the leftover white fabric and then stuck my snowman over it. He looks really nice and sweet, especially with those googly big eyes looking at you. Irresistible. Okay, I'm taking two plastic spoons. You can take two wooden spoons or ladders and do this DIY. I found some fabric in gray shades from leftover scraps of fabric from a previous project. Then I took the bigger one, rolled it up once to form the cuff of the cap, wrapped it around the head, and then I'm taking an elastic band to tie it on the top to look like a woolen cap. I'm sorry, I went a little off the camera to do this. So an easy way to make cap for the snowman, and then for the muffler, a thin little strip, just fix it around the neck. Now for the other snowman, I took some black cardstock paper that I'm cutting in the shape of a cap, and I'll be sticking in place of the cap in the snowman. And then some brown satin ribbon to match for his muffler around his neck. Again, the orange cardstock paper, little carrot size shapes for the nose of my snowman, and I'm using a black marker pen to sketch the face. But my marker pen actually died out on me. So I went and got another pen and made cute faces on my snowman. And then to give it little rustic, modern rustic enamel feel, I'm just adding a little black on the edges of the snowman. This would make the snowman, spoon snowman, more prominent when you place it anywhere in your house for decor. Perfect to go all through your winters. I hope you enjoyed my today's ideas for Christmas crafts for winter decor using the snowman theme. They are adorable and you just can't go wrong. I so much appreciate your support and encouragement, and I hope you'll keep coming back for more, and thanks so much everybody. Have a blessed day.